Why you understand English but can't speak it. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the English PK. Have you ever watched an English movie and understood most of it, but when someone asked you to speak English your mind suddenly became blank? Yes, then don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of English learners face this same problem every day. They understand English. They can read English. They can even write English. But when it's time to speak, they freeze. Today we will learn why this happens and how you can finally start speaking English with confidence. Let's begin. The first reason is that you are learning English passively instead of actively. What does this mean? Passive learning means you only watch videos, listen to podcasts, or read books. These activities improve your understanding, but they do not automatically improve your speaking. Speaking is a skill, and every skill requires practice. Imagine someone who watches football every day. Does that make them a professional football player? Of course not. They have to play football regularly. The same is true for English. Watching English content is helpful, but speaking English every day is what creates fluency. The second reason is fear of making mistakes. Many learners think, what if I speak the wrong grammar? What if my pronunciation is bad? What if people laugh at me? Because of these thoughts, they stay silent. But remember this. Every fluent English speaker once made mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Children learn their first language by making thousands of mistakes. Nobody laughs at them. Instead, they keep speaking until they improve. You should do the same. The third reason is translating every sentence from your native language. This is one of the biggest obstacles. When someone asks you a question, your brain first creates the answer in your own language. Then you try to translate it into English. This process takes time. That is why you hesitate. Instead, train yourself to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. For example, I am drinking tea. I am working on my laptop. The weather is nice today. I need to finish my work. These simple thoughts help your brain become comfortable with English. The fourth reason is lack of daily speaking practice. Many students study English for 1 hour, but they never speak for even 5 minutes. Reading improves reading. Listening improves listening. Writing improves writing. Speaking improves speaking. If you want to become fluent, you must speak every single day. Talk to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your daily routine. Explain what you are doing. Ask yourself questions and answer them in English. This simple habit creates amazing improvement. The fifth reason is memorizing grammar rules instead of using English. Grammar is important, but grammar alone cannot make you fluent. Imagine learning all the traffic rules without ever driving a car. Will you become a good driver? No. You need real driving experience. English works the same way. Learn grammar, but immediately use it in your own sentences. Practice makes grammar natural. The sixth reason is having a very small vocabulary. Many learners know only basic words. When they want to express a new idea, they don't know the right vocabulary. That is why learning 5 to 10 new words every day is a great habit. But don't just memorize them. Create your own sentences. Repeat them. Use them in conversations. The more you use words, the easier they become. The seventh reason is not listening carefully to native speakers. Listening teaches you pronunciation, rhythm, stress, and natural expressions. When you hear English regularly, your brain starts recognizing patterns. This makes speaking much easier. Try listening to English podcasts, interviews, YouTube videos, and audiobooks every day. Even 15 minutes daily can make a big difference. The eighth reason is expecting quick results. Many learners study English for 2 weeks and then say, I still can't speak. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. Small daily practice creates big improvement over time. Be patient. Stay consistent. Trust the process. Now let me give you a simple daily routine that can improve your speaking. First, listen to English for 15 minutes. Second, read 1 short English article or story. Third, learn 5 new words. Fourth, speak English for at least 10 minutes. Fifth, think in English before sleeping. If you follow this routine every day for just 3 months, you will notice a huge difference in your confidence and fluency. Finally, remember one important thing. Fluent English is not about speaking fast. It is about speaking clearly. Take your time. Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Confidence grows with practice. Every sentence you speak is one step closer to fluency. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every day you practice makes your English stronger. Believe in yourself. Stay consistent. Never stop learning. One day, you will realize that speaking English has become natural for you. Let me ask you a simple question. When someone speaks English to you, do you first understand the sentence in your own language and then think of an answer before speaking? If your answer is yes, then this lesson is especially for you. Today, we are going to talk about one habit that stops thousands of English learners from becoming fluent. That habit is translating every sentence in your head. Many students believe that translation helps them speak better. But the truth is completely different. Translation slows down your brain. It makes you hesitate. It reduces your confidence. And it prevents you from speaking naturally. The good news is that you can train your brain to think directly in English. And today I will show you exactly how. Let's get started. Imagine that someone asks you, "What did you do today?" Your brain immediately starts creating the answer in Urdu. Then you search for English words. Then you try to remember grammar. Then you worry about making mistakes. By the time you are ready to answer, the conversation has already moved on. Does this happen to you? If yes, don't worry. It happens to almost every English learner. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is your habit. Your brain has been trained to translate. Now it needs to be trained to think in English. So how can you do that? The first step is to start with very simple thoughts. Don't try to think long or difficult sentences. Look around your room. Now describe what you see. Say, "This is my chair. My laptop is on the table. The fan is moving. The window is open. I need to clean my desk." These are easy thoughts. Your brain can create them quickly without translating. The second step is to describe your daily activities. When you wake up, think in English. I am waking up. I need to brush my teeth. I am making breakfast. I am getting ready for work. I am going to school. I am feeling a little tired today. These small sentences train your brain to use English naturally. The third step is to ask yourself questions. For example, what should I eat today? What time is it? What am I doing right now? What are my plans for tomorrow? Now answer these questions in English. Even if your answers are short, that is perfectly fine. The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. The fourth step is to stop worrying about grammar while thinking. Many students stop after every sentence because they are checking grammar. Don't do that. When you think in your native language, you don't stop to check grammar. You simply think. Do the same in English. If your sentence is not perfect, keep going. Your brain will improve naturally with practice. The fifth step is to learn English in phrases instead of single words. For example, don't only learn the word happy. Learn phrases like, "I am happy today. That makes me happy. I feel really happy. This is a happy moment." Learning complete phrases helps your brain speak faster, because you don't have to build every sentence from the beginning. The sixth step is to speak to yourself. Yes, it may sound strange, but it is one of the most powerful techniques. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk about your day. Describe your plans. Explain your goals. Pretend you are talking to a friend. The more you speak, the more confident you become. The seventh step is to listen carefully to natural English. Watch interviews. Listen to podcasts. Watch English YouTube videos. Pay attention to how native speakers connect words together. Notice their pronunciation. Notice their expressions. Then try to copy them. This method is called shadowing. Play one sentence. Pause. Repeat exactly what you hear. This improves your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. The eighth step is to make English a part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Read English headlines. Write your shopping list in English. Keep a small diary in English. Label objects in your room with English names. The more English you see every day, the more natural it becomes. Now let me tell you something very important. Fluent English speakers are not always using difficult words. Most of them use simple vocabulary. The difference is that they use those words quickly and naturally. So don't try to impress people with difficult English. Focus on speaking simple English with confidence. Remember this. Speaking English is not a talent. It is a habit. And every habit becomes stronger with daily practice. If you spend just 15 to 20 minutes every day thinking in English, you will notice a big improvement within a few weeks. You will answer questions faster. You will hesitate less. You will feel more confident. And most importantly, you will enjoy speaking English. So from today, make one promise to yourself. Stop translating. Start thinking. Don't wait until your English becomes perfect before you speak. Speak now. Practice now. Improve every single day. Your future self will thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the English PK, and share it with your friends. Keep thinking in English. Keep speaking in English. Keep improving every day. See you in the next lesson.